Is speed your money's BFF? Unveiling SoFi's transfer game. Ever stared at your bank account balance, willing a magic money transfer to happen instantly? We've all been there. Maybe you need that cash for a last-minute deal, an unexpected bill, or to finally snag those concert tickets before they disappear. In today's fast-paced world, waiting for transfers can feel like an eternity. So, if you're considering SoFi, a finance platform offering investing, banking, and loan options, you might be wondering, does SoFi offer instant transfers? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into SoFi's transfer game and see if it can quench your need for financial speed. First things first, let's acknowledge that SoFi actually offers a couple of different account types, SoFi Checking and Savings and SoFi Money. The features and functionalities might differ slightly between the two, so we'll need to explore them both to give you the full picture. Instant funding for the newbies, a SoFi welcome. Alright, if you're a brand new SoFi member, here's some good news. SoFi offers a feature called instant funding specifically for first-time SoFi Checking and SoFi Money account holders. This nifty tool allows you to transfer up to $500 into your new account immediately using an existing Visa or MasterCard debit card. Here's how it works. When setting up your account, you'll likely see an option for Transfer Instantly or Add Money Quickly. Select that bad boy, link your debit card, and voila! The funds appear in your SoFi account like financial fireworks. Now, that's the kind of instant gratification we can all appreciate. Hold on there, Speedy Gonzalez, what about regular transfers? Now, the plot thickens. While SoFi has this sweet instant funding option for new members, what about regular transfers? The kind where you move money between your SoFi account and another bank account? Here, things get a little less, well, instant. SoFi transfers between your SoFi accounts and external bank accounts typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. This is pretty standard for most bank transfers, so no major surprises there. So, if you're looking for lightning-fast transfers between SoFi and your external accounts, you'll need to factor in that waiting period. Expedited options? Not quite there yet. Some banks offer expedited transfer options for a fee, allowing you to move money within a shorter time frame. As of now, SoFi doesn't seem to have an equivalent service. So, if you absolutely need that cash to hit your account yesterday, SoFi might not be your best bet. SoFi versus the instant transfer game, a scorecard. Here's a quick rundown for those who prefer things clear-cut. New SoFi members, instant funding for up to $500 using a debit card. Regular transfers, 1 to 3 business days for transfers between SoFi and external accounts. Expedited transfers, not currently offered by SoFi. The verdict, SoFi for speed demons or patient players? So, does SoFi offer instant transfers? It depends. For new members with a need for immediate access to funds, SoFi's instant funding is a definite perk. However, for regular transfers between SoFi and external accounts, you'll be looking at the standard 1 to 3 business day waiting period. Ultimately, the decision depends on your financial needs. If speed is your top priority, SoFi might not be the ultimate champion. But if you value a platform that offers a variety of financial services and can handle most transfers within a reasonable time frame, SoFi could still be a strong contender. Remember, it's all about finding the financial tools that work best for you. Do your research, consider your priorities, and then make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.